of scientists agree DNA is the genetic material. It all started with two guys and some viruses. In the 1950s, scientists Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase took on a big question. What makes up our genes? They used a virus called a bacteriophage, which infects bacteria. Here's the cool part. They labeled the virus's DNA with radioactive phosphorus and its protein coat with radioactive sulfur. E. coli and the bacteriophage were used in the tests conducted by Hershey and Chase. The bacteriophage binds to the bacteria and introduces its genetic material into the bacterial cell. It has DNA and a protein coat. Some bacteriophages were cultivated in radioactive sulfur, 35S media, while the other bacteriophages were cultured in a radioactive phosphorus, 32P medium. While the T2 phages in phosphorus medium contained radioactive DNA because the protein coat does not contain phosphorus, the bacteriophages in sulfur medium contained radioactive protein due to the absence of sulfur in the DNA. After that, the radioactive phages joined the E. coli. As the illness grew worse, centrifugation was used to separate the viruses. The fact that the radioactive DNA in the bacteriophage-infected E. coli was similarly radioactive suggests that DNA was the substance that was transferred from the virus to the bacteria. Only the radioactive DNA entered the bacteria, while the protein stayed outside. This experiment was like a giant neon sign saying, "Hey, DNA is the genetic material." Before this, many believed proteins carried genetic information. But Hershey and Chase? They proved DNA is the genetic material. Their work sealed the deal on DNA, paving the way for the amazing world of genetics we know today. So next time you think about what makes you you, remember Hershey and Chase? They cracked the code. Stay tuned with us.